welcome back to my lectures of class 10 physics. In the previous two videos we have seen the numericals based on the mirror formula and based on the lens formula. Now here we have the third video based on the numericals, and here we will see how to solve the problems based on the power of lens. So first question, a convex lens has a focal length of 10 cm. What is its power? हमारे पास एक convex lens है जिसकी focal length given है 10 cm and we have to find its power. So first of all, write the given data. So here this given value is the focal length f is equals to 10 cm, and which lens we have? The convex lens. But for the convex lens, what is the sign of focal length? For a convex lens, the sign of focal length, that is positive. So here f will be equals to plus 10 cm. Now we have to find power. So what is the formula for power that relates with the focal length? We have P is equals to 1 by f, where f is in meters. लेकिन यहाँ पर हमारे पास f क्या है? It is in centimeter. So I can use the other formula that P is equals to 100 by f, where f is in centimeter. Okay, so I can write this P is equals to 100 by value of f. F is equals to 10 centimeter. So this gets cancelled. So this P is equals to 10 diopter. So for a convex lens of focal length 10 cm, its power will be 10 diopter, or you can say it will be plus 10 diopter. Wherever you have plus, it means the lens is convex. Okay, so in this way you can solve the numerical based on the power of lens. So now let us take one more numerical based on the power of lens. A student uses a lens of focal length 50 cm and another of minus 50 cm. What is the nature of the lens and its power used by each of them? सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? We will write the given data. A student uses a lens of focal length 50 cm. इसको हम assume कर लेते हैं f1. So f1 is equals to plus 50 cm and another of minus 50 cm. इसको ले लेते हैं f2 is equals to minus 50 cm. What is the nature of the lens? What we have to find? We have to find the nature of the lens, and nature you can directly find from the sign. Okay, so if f is equals to positive and we have the lens, so what kind of lens it will be? This will be convex. Okay, and a convex lens have nature converging. Here you can write both the things. The lens is convex and its nature is converging. Wherever if f is equals to negative, अगर हमारे पास f की वैल्यू क्या आती है? नेगेटिव आती है, then it will be concave, and this nature of concave is diverging. So from the sign only you can say what is the nature of the lens, and what we have to find at its power used by each of them. We have to find the power. So P is equals to 1 by f, where f is in meter. Here both of them are given in centimeter, so I can write it to be 100 by f, which is in centimeter. Okay, so the first one is power 1, that is equals to 100 by f1, which is in centimeter. पहले हम फर्स्ट वाले के लिए कैलकुलेट करते हैं जिसके लिए प्लस 50 है. सो P1 is equals to 100 by 50 plus 50, so it will be 2. So here this P1 is equals to plus 2 diopter. Okay, now we'll again find the power for the second lens. So the P2 is equals to 100 by f2, which is in centimeter. This P2 is equals to 100 by minus 50, because for the second its focal length is minus 50 centimeter. So it will be again 2, but P2 is equals to minus 2 diopter. Here if power is positive, it means it's a convex lens, and if power is negative, it means it's a concave lens. So in this way you can solve the numerical. Let us take one more numerical based on the power of lens. Two thin lenses of focal length 10 cm and minus 5 cm are kept in contact. What is the focal length and power of the combination? दो lenses है हमारे पास, जिसकी फर्स्ट वाले की फोकल लेंथ कितनी है? प्लस 10 सेंटीमीटर, एंड द फोकल लेंथ फॉर द सेकंड वन इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 5 centimeter, and they are kept in contact, and we have to find the resultant focal length and power of the combination. Okay, now for the resultant power of the combination we have the formula P is equals to P1 plus P2 and so on. So here we have P is equals to P1 plus P2, and we have this P is equals to 1 by f. This P is the resultant power. तो अगर हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे P is equals to 1 by f, then we'll get this f will be the resultant focal length, and for the P1 I can write 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. तो अगर हमारे पास दो फोकल लेंथ इंडिविजुअल गिवन है फॉर द टू लेंसेज which are kept in contact, then we can find the resultant focal length by this formula. Okay, now here we have two focal lengths are given, so we will put these values and we will find the resultant focal length. So 1 by f is equals to, f1 is plus 10, 1 by 10, and then f2 is minus 5, so minus 1 by 5. You have to use the individual signs. Okay, so here 1 by f is equals to, LCM will be 10, so 1 minus 2, so 1 by f is equals to minus 1 by 10. So from here I can write f is equals to minus 10 centimeter. So the resultant of these two will be equals to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, now how we can find the power? P is equals to 1 by f. That is the formula for power. Now we have focal length, but that is in centimeter, so I can write this P is equals to 100 by f, which is in centimeter. So here P is equals to 100 by value of f is equals to minus 10. So कितना हो जाएगा? P is equals to minus 10 diopter. So the resultant combination will have focal length of minus 10 centimeter and power of minus 10 diopter. Now you can see this negative sign that represents that the resultant will be a concave lens, or you can say the resultant will behave as a concave lens. Now here we can use one more method. First of all, you can find the individual powers, or let us solve it by another method. How we can find the individual powers? For the first, I can write P is equals to 100 by 10. This is P1. For this, the power will be 10 diopter. For the second, if I want to find the power, then that is equals to 100 by minus 5 is equals to minus 20 diopter. Okay, now the resultant power, we can use this formula. P is equals to P1 plus P2. So P is equals to P1 plus P2. So P कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? It is 10 minus 20. कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 10 diopter. Power तो कितना आ गया? Minus 10 diopter. Now from here also we can find the focal length. How we can find the focal length? P is equals to 1 by f. If this power is in diopter, we will get the focal length in meters. So I can write, if I want to find it in centimeter, then what I will do? I can multiply it by 100 and I will get the focal length in centimeter. So this f is equals to 100 by p. What is the value of p? Minus 10. So 100 by minus 10, it will be minus 10 centimeter. So you can see power minus 10. Here also I was getting power minus 10. Here focal length minus 10 centimeter. Here I was also getting it minus 10 centimeter. So you can use either of the two methods. Both are correct. Here in this case, we have calculated first the focal length, but here we have calculated first the power of the resultant combination. So in this way also you can solve this numerical.